Creating a page object model POM. Hello again, welcome back to H2 Kinfosys. Today we're going to learn how to create a page object model POM in Selenium with Java. Let's get started. What is a page object model? A page object model is a design pattern that creates an object repository for web elements. It helps in maintaining the test scripts by separating the test logic from the UI elements. Here's an example. Creating the page object class. First, let's create a page object class for the login page. Import org.openco.selenium.by. Import org.openkey.selenium.webdriver. Import org.openco.selenium.webelement. Public class login page. WebDriver driver. I is constructor. Public login page WebDriver driver. This.driver driver. Locators. By username field by.name username. By password field by.name password. By submit button by.name submit. Methods to interact with elements. Public void enter username string username driver.findelement username field.sendkeys username. Public void enter password string password driver.findelement password field.sendkeys password. Public void click submit driver.findelement submit button.click. Using the page object in a test. Now, let's use this page object in a test script. Import org.openqueue.selenium.webdriver. Import org.openqueue.selenium.chrome.chromedriver. Import org.openco.annotations.after method. Import org.testng.annotations.before method. Import org.testng.annotations.test. Public class login test. WebDriver driver at before method. Public void setup. Set the path to the Chrome driver. System.setPropertyWebDriver.chrome.driver path to Chrome driver. Initialize WebDriver. Driver new Chrome driver. It's a test. Public void test login. Navigate to the login page. driver.get/http:/example.com/login. Create a login page object. Login page, new login page driver. Perform login. Login page.enter username user1. Login page.enter password pass1. Login page.click submit. Add assertions to verify login. Add after method. Public void teardown. Close the browser. Driver.quit. This script uploads a file using Selenium. In the next video, we'll explore working with dynamic content and weights. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.